I'm Kevin.
Brandon fucking Hawk.
We've just had a bad day.
We have...
So, to make us feel better, I'm going to tell you some stuff. First of all,
awesome stuff. Go ahead. Go on.
Bren?
Yes?
Okay. First of all, maybe about a week and a half ago, got a new little brother. His name is Casey. Comment if you like the name Casey. I already gave him a nickname. Bagworm. We're here from my room. He lives downstairs. I sleep with my mom.
Oh, he's not my family. Well, okay, yeah, he is my family. Let's just go with that. Yeah.
I sleep in a room with my mom. Not actually sleep with my mom.
I just got that.
Yeah. I'm forced to wear one of these.
It looks like a bra for your face. Put it on your face. Show him. Show him.
I have to be blinded every night. I can't see a thing. I'm gonna find out what you did.
I didn't do anything. I promise. With these eyes lie to you, baby.
A little freaked out.
I'm just kidding. I'm not gay. Say I'm gay, I'll fucking kick your ass.
Okay. Now let me tell you something that happened yesterday. Nothing bad. It was quite hilarious.
Was though.
I was checking my Facebook. Doing what any teenager would do.
Let's go to Facebook. Continue.
Doing what any regular teenager would do. He likes to play my game, Need for Speed.
Underground.
Underground. For the GameCube. Woo! It's amazing!
Yeah!
I look over. He's in a race.
Dude. Okay, so picture this, right? The corner's right here. Okay, and my car is coming out this way, and zoom, and it flies up and it goes around the corner like that. And so then there's a car here, and I drive up over the car as he's looking at it.
Not around the car. Quite over the car.
Over it, like I drove over it, like I raped it. Let's just say for the moment that I raped the car with my car. I believe it was a Nissan Eclipse, or no, it was an Eclipse. It was definitely an Eclipse. Eclipse. Not like Twilight. Come on.
Even that's still a better love story than Twilight.
It is though. A car getting raped by another car. Still a better love story than Twilight.
True story.
So go on.
I couldn't help but think at that moment, what if the cops caught him? Being in this game, there are no cops. Why? I don't know. It's stupid.
Yeah, I mean, there should have been at least one or two.
Yeah. Illegal street racing, come on. Property damage. Some other stuff. Shut up, David.
That was Brianna.
I know. I couldn't help but think, what are the charges he would get? Just for that. I thought, drunk driving. It wasn't drunk. They kind of make it seem like it. It was kind of swerving a bit.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you.
2. Maybe angry driving.
True that.
Last thing I thought. That actually was Diva. Diva is the cat. Diva's my pussy. Face palm. The last one. Frankly, I made up, but could be true. Trying to impersonate a monster truck.
Yes! That's my favorite one!
I'm wondering if there were real physics, would it actually be crushed?
I like to think the car got raped.
That must have been a sad car.
It was terrible, man. The car cried, you know. She got raped.
The whole time.
Well, for all y'all fans out there, this is a real tattoo. Though you can't really see it from that angle.
I know we don't have fans.
We could have fans.
I know. No one's ever subscribed or commented.
True. Y'all need to subscribe, man.
Please,
Comment on our shit.
if you subscribe, if we get 1 subscription, 1.
We'll make more videos. And you can tell us what you want us to make, man. Come on now.
We'll get Brandon to sing.
Yeah, I'll sing.
Only if we get at least 1 subscriber. Come on. Please. We're begging you.
I'll sing anything you want me to, except for well, maybe the Barney song. I'll even sing the Barney song. Come on now. How cool is that?
Nothing by Justin Bieber. I'm
Now,
sorry.
see, I actually would, because I have a girlfriend who likes Justin Bieber.
His girlfriend's cute.
She is. She has big boobs. I love her so much.
Boobies roll. Guess that's all. Please subscribe, comment, ask us anything. We'll probably answer.
By the way, we're both 21.
No, we're not.
No, we're not. I'm 18. He's 17 and a half.
He's scary, I'm a fat man. Please, so, we're begging you. Shut up.
Dude, not cool.
You subscribe. Actually, Brandon hates that cat. You subscribe, I'll get him to hug that cat. Maybe I'll even put my little brother on. You might see him.
Wouldn't mind
I
that.
love that little bagworm.
As long as you're the one holding him.
Of course. Why would I trust you?
You wouldn't.
Exactly.
Hey, Kevin.
Yeah.
It's the capital of Taiwan.
Bangkok? No, stop. Stop. Well, I guess see you next time. Remember, comment, subscribe, ask a question, ask whatever you want to see. We're asking you.
We want you!
I'm sorry, I can't help but do this. Ah, with my hand back in. Ask a question, we'll answer it. Actually, we will answer it. Even if I have to make them. Well, next time. Maybe I'll tell you something more funny. This has actually made me happier.
Good job. Now let's watch it.
See ya.